gigabit connectivity could be summed up in 3 words. It's speed, it's throughput, and latency. And in reality, it is all about moving a lot of data from A to B in very, very fast time, so enable really high data streams.
It means to be connected to the future and to be able to participate without having to worry about anything. And very interesting, also for the first time, direct satellite to mobile phone connection will be possible, which means that you will have coverage wherever you are.
Being the first and only operator offering 5G standalone, we can offer internet with a bandwidth guarantee on the Austrian market and the public sector. And our aim is to focus on this technology, and 6G will follow. In the future, it will be possible to connect up to 1 million devices at the same time.
We think that gigabit connectivity will be omnipresent, and it will be part of every home, and you will be able to use it without having to think about it, just like you use water and electricity, so it will become a commodity.